Okay kids, listen up because this is the educational part of the video. This is the focus of what I wanted to teach you about. I had to consider whether Mr. Rodman had schizoid personality disorder. This is characterised by the following: a lack of social relationships, a tendency towards a solitary or sheltered lifestyle, secretiveness, emotional coldness and apathy. They're described as being withdrawn or aloof, and a rich and internal fantasy world. So people with schizoid personality disorders have a feeling of indifference towards other people. They tend to be distant, they tend to avoid social situations. They also have a preoccupation with introspection and fantasy, and they're indifferent to social norms and expectations. They're generally not interested in sex and relationships. So even though schizoid and schizophrenia kind of sound similar, they're completely different disorders. Schizophrenia is a mental illness associated with delusions and hallucinations. Schizoid is a personality disorder with the features that I've just described. I've done videos on schizophrenia, go check that out, and on personality disorders in general, go chiggity check that out as well. The other thing I'd say is that the social withdrawal can be common in both. So that could be negative symptoms of schizophrenia as well as schizoid personality disorder, but crucially, schizophrenia has positive symptoms such as hallucinations and delusions. Schizoid personality disorder does not. So even when people are withdrawn with schizoid personality disorder, when they do speak, they make sense and they can follow conversations and you can follow their conversation. As opposed to, for example, some people with florid schizophrenia who might have formal thought disorder where they jump topics between sentences, so it's really hard to follow what they're talking about. Hello cruel world. What you just saw there was a tiny little tantalising taste, kind of nutty, of a much longer episode. You should go check it out if you're interested. The link will be in the description below. If you're a fan of either true crime or mental illness, or the crossover between the two, then you've got to go and check out my main YouTube channel, A Psych for Sore Minds. My name is Dr. Sohom. I'm a consultant forensic psychiatrist. I assess mentally disordered offenders for a living so that you don't have to. My channel covers a whole range, a smorgasbord of topics related to true crime and mental illness. For example, high profile true crime cases with my own kind of personal psychoanalysis of individuals. I discuss issues related to criminality. I discuss individual diagnoses. I give advice about psychiatric problems. I interview ex-patients. I do a lot. There is something for everybody on my channel, and I implore you to go and check it out. You can even steal some of my ideas, palm them off as your own to impress your friends and impress people at dinner parties. It's all good. I've got you back. Until next time, stay euthymic, check out my channel, and please do not forget, I love you.